Hey everyone, Cynthia from One Day Woman here. I'm in my hometown of Northport, Michigan this morning. I'm here because there is a festival in our town called Leelanau Uncaged. This is the 6th annual Leelanau Uncaged Festival. So this festival boasts over 30 performers. There are 5 different stages in different locations throughout the town of Northport. There's everything from bluegrass to folk to Celtic. There's rock. Today at 9 o'clock we have Denise Davis and the Motor City Sensation. It's going to be a great day of music here in Northport, and it's warming up a little bit. So this festival has around 90 artists set up. Even though the festival hasn't started yet, people are starting to wander in, and it's a great time. I'm going to show you what this looks like, all up and down the street.
Tell me your name. I'm Cynthia.
Cynthia, I'm Tom.
Nice
I'm in
to meet
F3.
You. You're in F3.
I'm F3.
So you're one of the artists today.
I'm a living artist, not a dead one for today. It's my 48th year.
48th year. But not at this festival because
No.
Yeah.
I started in Wisconsin in the early 70s.
What do you do?
I make pottery pieces.
Okay.
I airbrush the illusion of light, and I make my wood sculptures look like they're clay or steel.
Okay, cool.
Stop by my booth.
Cool, I will.
How are you doing? What are you doing here today?
We're making this is one of the pop-up cutouts. We got a whole bunch of them around town. You'll see kids can come in and get their faces in there and play pirate. I got a fake.
Can I try it out? Let me try it out here.
See how that goes. Yeah.
See if I can get this on.
You look like a salty mite. great.
Let me
Good
see
job.
if I can
That's
get
it.
far enough away from it.
And
That's
I
great.
got to go find a paddle somewhere so we can get people standing around paddling the back of the boat.
Oh,
looking
yeah.
From the front and kids looking through here.
Yeah,
Little
good.
kids down here.
Little ones.
Really
I was
little,
going to
yeah.
lay down there and get that.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture from the front side.
Good. Let me get this on there and you'll have the whole thing. I got
Oh,
a
good.
really big over there that goes on too. So.
Oh boy. Well, maybe I'll come back. I'll come back and get a picture when you're all
All right, good.
set up.
We'll be
Thanks,
all
Tom.
set up.
So one of my favorite features of this festival are the food trucks and the food vendors. I think we have 13 this year, and the ones behind me aren't open yet because the festival isn't officially open. Plus we have a lot of local restaurants and eateries. So I had to find a quiet little spot. The festival's out in front of me, but it's starting to get busy with opening time just approaching. But people arrive early and get in there. So I had to find a little place to talk to you. The name Leelanau Uncaged was inspired by groundbreaking and avant-garde composer, music theorist, philosopher, artist John Cage. But it also refers to and encourages locals and visitors to the festival to break out from their daily routines, get a little uncaged, get a little crazy, and have some fun. So the 6th annual Leelanau Uncaged Festival is almost set up now. We're about to open, I think, in about a half hour. I wanted to be sure that you knew that this is the largest free festival in all of northern Michigan. Last year's festival drew over 8,000 people. So did I mention it's all free? The whole thing. It's just incredible. Hi.
I couldn't figure out who you were talking.
I'm talking to myself.
I
Which
hope
is what I usually do anyway.
Interesting.
This is part B of my day. I had to go home for a little while because I was so cold, get warmed up, but now I'm back for the evening events at Leelanau Uncaged. We're going to go listen to some music and get some food and have a really good time.
Do you want cups for those or just cans? Cans, fine.
Okay. So you still need one.
Everybody feeling good?
Hi! Hold on, I gotta get your picture.
Same strain. I've been in your shoes. So baby, move me, tell you the good news now. Hey, hey, mama.
When I stopped talking to them, you were gone. Is that your sweetheart back there?
Oh, good.
Let me get a picture of the sweetheart. I'm Cynthia.
Jerry.
Miss your name?
Jerry.
Jerry and
Cynthia.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Read the whole thing like.
Please welcome Soul Patch.
Just when you think you know that you